With 13,000 watts of power, the XP13000EH Dual Fuel generator will keep your whole home running during a storm or power outage. DuroMax is the industry leader in dual fuel portable generator technology, with a full assortment ranging from digital inverters to generators that can power your entire home. At the core of all our products resides a robust DuroMax engine. Designed for power. Designed to last, the XP13000EH comes with a push-button start, a front-facing interface that allows you to change your fuel type in seconds, and a wide variety of outlets, including a transfer switch-ready 50-amp outlet, constructed with a heavy-duty all-metal frame and power panel. No plastic parts. Built to withstand severe weather and years of heavy wear and tear, power wherever and whenever you need it. No flat tires roll easily over any terrain. The DuroMax XP13000EH is a dual-fuel workhorse powered by a 500 cubic centimeters OHV engine and runs on gasoline or propane. This unit provides the power normally found in stationary home standby units, but in a portable package. With 10,500 watts of running power and the ability to surge up to 13,000 watts, this generator can power household essentials such as lights, small and large appliances, and your home's central AC system. The fully loaded power panel features multiple outlets including two 120V GFCI protected household outlets, and individual breakers to prevent overloading and keep everything safe. This unit is both EPA and CARB approved for operation in all 50 states. Customer ratings by feature: value for money, 4.3 star, portability, 4.2 star, maneuverability, 4.1 star, noise level, 4.6 star.